Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. You happy? Is your birthday? You 11 now? He ready for them cupcakes.
Okay.
He ready for his doggy treats.
Yeah.
Oh,
I want to blow it.
happy birthday, Prince. You can't eat the light. Thank you, Mia. Yay!
Not you trying to.
Ah, wait. There you go.
He's such a nice behaved.
Oh, I like how he eating his little doggy cupcake all gentle. I'm surprised.
Right, because he be tearing everything up.
Leave him alone. Let him eat his birthday cake.
Oh, he tearing it up.